I want to see if you can download Google SketchUp directly. I believe they allow you a 30-day trial for free. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, I went to this website here. If you can see the URL right here, help sketchup.com/en/downloading older versions. Let me see if I can highlight it so you can see it better. I don't know if that made it better or worse. Can you see it?
Yeah.
So Gia and Xavier should be doing this as well.
Yeah, I'm on the tab.
Okay.
I'm just looking for a trial, free trial.
Right, I'm there.
Okay, I think this one is free. I think this one is free. All right. What I want you to do, you're going to be installing SketchUp Pro 2020 because that's what we're using. We're not using. Okay. So let's see if you're using Windows, right? You're going to click here. Okay, and then okay. All right. Apparently, that's not the one that we need to search for downloading free Google SketchUp. This is not the right one here. Sorry about that. Yep, downloading a free version of Google SketchUp. Let's see. All right. So, yep. So come down to download SketchUp free trial of 3D modeling software. Right. Start a free 30-day trial. So I was at the wrong URL. Download SketchUp free trial of 3D modeling. Okay, so let's open that up and see what happens. Okay, start free trial. See what happens with that. You all on the same page?
I'm back at the Google page. I kind of got lost in all the tabs.
Jason, you have a problem? You're muted, Jason.
Sorry about that. No, I'm where you're at.
Okay, cool. So let's start the free trial. Start free trial. See what happens with that. Okay, now here you need to give him your Dell Tech email address. Your Dell Tech email address.
Okay. I'll find it.
The rest of you, Anson and Nate, we're going to get started with you guys in in a few moments. Trying to get everybody on the same page. Nate and Anson, in the meantime, okay, we need to specify your door, okay, the door leading from the kitchen to your deck. I think many of you have used sliding doors. Okay, you need to go back. You need to go to that is AndersonWindows.com, right? And actually schedule the door. So Anderson.com doors, and you will see gliding doors there, and choose a series that you want to use, and then go to the sizing chart.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Oh, yeah, I had created a password before. That's why I was good. Okay. Okay, so um, once you're at this screen here, okay, okay, are you there?
Yes. So
Now let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and see if you can follow the prompts now. To follow the prompts to okay, it's asking you some questions. Select, it doesn't matter, architecture, whatever. Continue. Okay. We're 3D modeling, right? Uh, just put in Deltec, whatever, Deltec. One, okay. Okay, so when I fill out that information there, it says start my trial, see what happens. Yeah. So it tells me here that SketchUp is downloading. If there's an issue, try again.
Looks like I made it.
Something like that.
I don't know what that means.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know either.
Could you share your screen with me?
Yes, hold on a second.
Nate and Anson, when you fill out your door schedule, right? You know, doors are identified and planned numerically. So your sliding glass door or whatever door you're using to access the deck from the kitchen is going to be 1, right? And then you're going to, after you choose the series, you're going to go to the sizing chart and you're going to choose the width and the height. And the thickness, we're going to make the thickness an inch and a half. Okay.
The width and the height, just the rough openings.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And then the thickness is going to be 1.5 inches. And then of course the type is going to be, I think Anderson calls those doors gliding, or if it's hinged, they call them French hinged. Okay. And then whatever material your series calls for. Okay. And also, we've scheduled the window above the sink. But if you have another window, okay, if you have another window, that needs to be scheduled as well. Okay, we know that the window above the sink is going to be A, and probably I'm sure if you have windows in other areas, it's going to be a different size. So therefore, it's going to be B, right? And then find the series that you want to use in terms of width and height. And we know, speaking of height, that we're using, if you don't have any kind of a countertop below that window, that second window, okay, we're going to treat it like it is a dining area, right? Whereas the head height is still going to be 6'8", but the sill height is going to be somewhere around 2'8". So that gives us a greater height usage for this window here. Okay, so it can be taller than the window above your sink. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. We already did my windows before.
Excellent.
I've got all that.
Awesome. All right. So now, do you and you have your doors done as well? Are you still?
I'm just doing the door right now.
Okay. Excellent. Thank you. Okay, Gia, share your screen with me, please. Hold on.
Yes.
Let me make sure that I can. I want you to share your screen with me. Now, those of you who were able to install the free version, Jason, so what I want you to do, I want you to go back and look at the post, look at the recording of Monday's class. It's only like 33 minutes, and that should, you can follow along, and that should get you started. Is that cool?
Okay.
Okay. Have you, Jason, have you watched those 2 videos that I told you to watch earlier, even though you couldn't access Google SketchUp? Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay. All right, if you go to D2L, trying to get to where I need to be. Okay, let me share my screen with you. So you, okay, Jason, if you go to D2L, let's go to content, learning materials, weeks 11 through 15. Okay. Have you watched these two videos here? Nope, nope, I'm sorry, not those. Have you opened up Google SketchUp tutorials? You with me?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I want you to watch these two videos.
Okay.
Okay, that'll help you.
All right.
And you're actually in Google SketchUp now.
Yeah, it's still doing the last little. It's downloading applications now. So,
Okay. Well, that's making me very happy. Thank you.
all right.
Watch. I'm sorry. Watch all three of those videos.
You should be downloading.
Yeah, it's downloading right now. I was just saying,
Okay.
like, as a download and watch the videos
Yep.
too.
Okay. Okay. Excellent. Excellent. So right now, Xavier, just watch these two right here.
Oh, those two. All right, I got it.
Okay. All right. Have you started to extrude anything up at all?
Not yet.
Okay. All right. Good. So now you're still in plan view. Is that correct?
Yeah.
He says, yeah, I think I am. Okay, so you're still in standard use top view, correct?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, all right. Nate, who am I talking to? Talking just to.
That was Anson.
Okay, all right. Nate, are you there as well?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, are you in plan view?
Yes.
Okay, good. So now let's go to camera. Oh, let me make sure. Hold on. Oops. Let me make sure I'm recording this. Yep, I'm recording. Excellent. So now we want to go to camera. Okay, standard views. But now we want to go to isometric view. Right? So now I'm just showing the perimeter walls, right, of the existing structure. But of course you're showing interior walls as well. And you know, I can hold the center mouse button down and I can orbit around like this. Okay, I can orbit around by holding that rolling center mouse button down. Okay, now it's important that all of your intersections of walls are clear, because pardon me, we want to pull the walls up, all of them at the same time, to an elevation of 9 feet, which is going to be our ceiling height. Okay, so you should be able to come in here now. Okay, okay, and if I go to the push-pull tool, okay, and you see how I just hover over the wall and they all become surfaces, right, where there are surfaces. So I'm just going to hover, and you should, if all the intersections are clear, you should just be able to hover over one area of the wall and then bring it up, stop, and then type in 9 feet. 9 feet. Zoom out, so all the walls should come up together. External, and internal.
Got it.
Excellent, excellent. Now, let's talk about door openings, okay? Let's start with the door openings first, okay? I'm gonna stop sharing so I can make reference to the sample drawing. Here we go. And then I want you to watch a video for me, okay? We see here, this is the front elevation. You see that this entrance door is giving you the dimensions here. It is 3 feet wide and it's 6 feet high, okay? And all that we're going to be doing is just creating the door openings, okay? We see that this door actually is centered about this wall, okay? Good. I don't know if you kept this wall here, okay?
Me, I think that's gone.
Yours is gone. Okay, so good. That's good. That's good. If you did, this is an opening without a door. It is called a cased opening. Okay. It is also 3 feet by 6 feet. Okay. And then the other sizes of the doors are located here. Okay. Okay. The opening for this bifold door here, okay, is 4 feet by 6 8 as well. Okay, so this bifold door is 4 feet wide by 6'8". All the other doors sizes are indicated. So let's start with the doors first. Now, but before you do that, okay, before you do that, okay, I want you to go back to let's go to D2L. Okay, let's go to D2L. I'm back at, where am I? Weeks 11 through 15. Let's go down to Google SketchUp tutorials. It should be there. Dynamic input. Okay, looking for what I'm looking for. Okay. Okay, can't seem to find what I'm looking for, but I can demonstrate it. Okay, I'll just go back to. Okay, I just go back to Google SketchUp. I will demonstrate it. Okay, so here I am at the front door. Okay, that entrance door there is 3 feet by 6'8". All right, so I would go to the line tool here. I mean, it's not the line tool, but the measuring tool here. Okay, okay. Find the midpoint. And because that's the midpoint there. Okay. The midpoint of that wall, because that door is centered. The height of that door is 6'8", so I would type in 6'8". Midpoint, okay. 6'8". There we go. Or what I could have done is come over here, okay, and use the line tool. I'm at the midpoint, good. So keep it on axis, and I type in 6'8", which is the height of the door. Good. The door is 3 feet wide, so I want to come over here, 1'6". Okay, come down, keeping it on axis. There we go. Still in line tool, come over here. Okay, 1'6", the other half of the door. Okay, good. All righty, and then I want to erase this line right here. Good, and I'm just going to select, and I'm going to orbit around so I can see what I'm doing. Good. So I should have a surface here. I can check that. Yep, that's a surface, right? Good. So now what I want to do, I want to push this surface in slightly. Push it in slightly, or push it all the way through. Okay. Many times you can push it in slightly and then type in 6 inches, which is the thickness of the exterior walls, or you can just push it all the way through. If it doesn't work, pushing it all the way through, then go back and just push it in, or do Control Z, go back and just push it in partially and type in 6 inches. But that's the way you're going to create all the door openings. Is that cool?
Yeah, I did have one question.
Sure.
For like the openings for the bedroom doors, how far away are they from the?
Oh, that is a good question. That is a very good question. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to, let me stop here. Let's go back to here. All right, good. Now, we're going to keep what I'm calling the door jambs, right? Okay. So I'll just sketch it. Door jamb here, door jamb here, door jamb there. Okay. I'm just going to sketch it. So let's say this is my wall here. This is separating the 2 bedrooms. Okay. Okay. We're gonna keep that door jamb distance 6 inches.
Okay. Cool.
Okay. Now that makes, okay, so it's gonna be 6 inches here, 6 inches here, 6 inches here. Of course, this door here is centered along that wall, right? Center.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And then this opening for the bifold doors is also centered on that wall.
Okay. Cool.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, Gio, I haven't forgotten about you.
Okay.
It's going to be the same process that you did for the door. So now let me, okay. And here's what's going to happen, okay? From the from the floor to the head or the top of the window, it's still going to be 6'8". It's going to match the head height of the doors, okay? So if you can see my little sketch here, pardon me, the windows in the living area, okay? As I just mentioned, the head height is going to be 6'8", okay? But the rough opening is going to be for the windows of the living area. It's going to be 3 feet by 5 feet. So make a note of that.
Okay.
So all the windows here in the living area are going to be 3 feet by 5 feet, starting at 6'8" above the floor. Okay. The windows in the bedroom, we're gonna bring the head height or the sill height up a little higher because it is a bedroom. Okay. So this goes to the floor, right? This is 6'8". Okay. Okay, to the head, but we're going to make this the rough opening height 4 feet for the bedrooms.
Okay.
Is that cool?
Yep.
Okay, same scenario. Now with this window here is centered from here to there. It's centered. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This window is centered from here to here, right? And these two windows are centered from inside corner. Well, actually, you have the dimensions right here. Sorry about that. Okay, for this,
Oh, yeah.
it's 5'10" to the center line here, then 12 feet to the center of that one, and then 12'8" to the center line of that one.
Okay, cool.
Of course, the title block. Okay.
Yep.
All right. Nate, could you share your screen with me? Let's see where you are, please.
Yes. Share that. Okay. Zoom out. Okay. So this is what I have. Windows in, and I'm working on my my kitchen windows.
Okay. Okay. So you have a corner condition here. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Good. All right. And then could you scroll around? Could you orbit around so I can see the sliding door? That looks good.
Sliding doors right there.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you.
Make sure you save your drawing often, please.
Will do.
Anson, could you? Okay, Anson, could you share the screen with me?
Yeah. I think I've got all of mine done.
Okay, I see you, you helped Nate out with the windows, right? That's good, thank you.
Oh,
Okay, all right. I'm kind of concerned, okay, I got you. I get, nope. Okay, I got you, because this is your seating area right here. I like the way,
yeah.
yep,
So
I like it.
I
Go
made sure
ahead.
that it's 2 feet high, so and the bench is 18
1'6",
inches.
yes.
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. So now you're working on, are those all your windows?
Yeah, that's everything.
Okay, okay, let's go ahead and save this drawing.
I already did. But
Okay,
yeah, I'll do
good.
it again just to be safe.
Absolutely, absolutely. So now, Anson and Nate, here's what I want you to do. I want you to, let me go to, let me go back to D2L. Let's see. Where do I want to be? Where do we do? Nope. Yep, I can go here. Okay, let me share my screen with you here. Okay, Nate and Anson, I want you to go to D2L, and I want you to go down. Now, I want you to watch this video right here. Okay, part 2, groups and components. Okay, because now we're about to group your model.
Alrighty.
And that will explain the power of groups and components, okay? Okay, so let me see, Nate, tell me what you learned about groups and components.
You need to have more than one component, because if not, if you try to move an item that's connected, then the whole thing will will move at the same time.
Yeah, it eliminates that stickiness that can happen, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So what we're going to do, we're going to separate our walls, including our openings, from the other parts of our drawing that we will do. Okay, so let's go to select up here. Okay, and what you want to do, okay, you want to click here. You want to click here and drag this all the way over until you include all of the walls, which of course is going to include the openings as well, okay? You're gonna do that, and then you're gonna right click, and you're gonna go to make group. Good. So now you have grouped all the walls together, okay, as a group. And also that saves space too. Okay. All right. So now if I were to skip out, if I was to select this, okay, see, if I select any surface of the group, all of the walls should be highlighted. Is that true?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, and here's the issue. Now, in order to manipulate the group, now here's what you have to do. You have to select the group, okay, and right click and go to edit group. So, and that puts you inside the group for editing purposes. Cool?
Cool.
All right. So let's left click outside of that. And that's the last thing that we're going to do for this evening for you guys. On Monday, we are going to start to add the actual casework, starting with the base cabinets from the 3D warehouse. So I have some homework for you guys, okay? We're gonna add the casework, starting with the base cabinets to your kitchen addition using the warehouse.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's, let me stop sharing here. See where I want to be. Okay, I'm sharing my screen with you now. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to go to weeks 11 through 15. After you go to content, of course. Okay, good. Mm-hmm. Okay, I want you to go to, I want you to watch these videos here. Adding doors and adding windows from the 3D warehouse. Okay,
Okay.
all right. I know it's dealing with doors, but it's going to give you an understanding of how you use the warehouse. All righty?
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay, so that's your homework. So with that, I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay. Xavier, it's approaching the 8 o'clock hour. Do you have any questions?
No, I'm pretty good. Doing my title block right now. Have everything
All
else.
right. So once you get all that done, submit it to me, all right? Because I need it before next class.
All right.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Have a good weekend.
Same to you.